Bettye's cooking channel. Today I'm going to prepare for you some cabbage rolls here. I have some of my ingredients out. I haven't added them all, especially the spices. I have a few more spices I will add to this list. But I just wanted to show you. Started my boiling water for my cabbage rolls. When this comes to a boil, I'm gonna place the cord. I'm gonna place the cabbage in here. What I wanted to share with you is the cord that's in the cabbage. I'm gonna remove that before I place it in the hot boiling water. Okay, this is what I took off the cabbage. This is the core center. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and place it in the boiling water. Place that down. Okay, and I'm gonna let this cook for probably about 15 minutes. I'm gonna cover it to the top. This cabbage roll will be made with chicken. This is ground chicken breast. So I will be adding some more fat to it. Okay, these are the ingredients that I will use in the cabbage roll. The only thing I don't have out here is the sea salt. I have carrots, celery, onion, garlic, cloves. I have the ground chicken breast. I have ketchup, salsa, cheese, Parmesan cheese, turmeric. I have basil, parsley, paprika, nutmeg, cinnamon, and avocado oil. So let me get started. To go in this food processor. This is a quick dish, as long as you get all your ingredients out. It's not going to take you long to make this cabbage roll. And while I'm doing this, I'm gonna go ahead and turn, here's the 2 garlic cloves. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the stove on. Let's added 3 tablespoons of avocado oil, butter in the skillet. I just chopped up everything. Let's just take the top off so you can see it. That was real easy. Save you some time there by using your food processor. I got the butter and the oil. No, it tastes like it. I'm gonna go ahead and add my carrots, onions, and garlic in here. But remember, my ground breast does not have any oil, so that's why I'm using a little bit good fat. Oh, it smells so good in here. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add the cauliflower rice. Okay, I got a half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 tablespoons of parsley, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of basil, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. Mix this up. Oh, you can smell those spices. They smell so good. Onions, parsley, everything smells so good. Ooh. Okay, let me add the cauliflower rice in. That's a whole bag. That's 12 ounces of that. Like I said, on the keto, low carb diet, we eat plenty of vegetables. So that's why, you know, we lose weight pretty fast. I'm really down to my ideal weight now. I think I lost about 30 pounds or more. Bill lost about 40 pounds. And we've been on this keto, low carb diet for it's 3 years now. Okay, ooh, that looks so good. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add the ketchup. Tablespoon in this bottle, so I'm gonna have to get a new bottle of ketchup. Okay, I'm gonna add the sugar-free ketchup in there. I don't want to overdo it. There we go. That's about a tablespoon. If it's a little over, it's okay. Oh, that looks so good. I tell you, since I start cooking keto, you know, I used to love fried rice, and when I make my fried rice now, I don't miss the real rice. I use the cauliflower rice, and I have an excellent fried rice recipe on my channel. You should try it. I forgot the turmeric. 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Okay, at this point I'm gonna taste my food. I haven't added any salt yet, but I'm gonna taste it after I add this Parmesan cheese to it. I'm gonna add about a half a cup of it in here, and then I'm gonna taste it to ensure that it has enough salt. This Parmesan cheese is salty, but you always want to taste your food before, you know, especially if you're using Parmesan cheese, you want to taste it before you add any salt. And I know when I developed the recipe, I have some salt listed, but I want you to get used to seasoning your food by taste. Not so much what I'm using, okay? How much I'm using, but just by your own taste. Okay, it definitely needs the sea salt. 1.5 teaspoons of sea salt. If you use sea salt, it's got all the nutrients and vitamins in it. It's good for you. I'm gonna taste it again. Oh, it's good. It's real good. Okay. Now I'm gonna add some salsa to the recipe. Okay, I added about a half a cup of chunky salsa to the recipe. And the reason I use the salsa, there is 1 gram of sugar. It's less sugar than, you know, you find tomato sauce, and it tastes better, tastes fresher. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off now, and I'm gonna prepare the casserole dish for the cabbage rolls. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and prepare the casserole dish. I'm just adding a little sauce in the bottom of the pan. That's about 2 tablespoons of sauce. I'll spread it around. And here are my cabbage. They are ready. Let me just add a few of them over here. Okay, I added about 1.5 teaspoons of black pepper there, you see it. And now I'm gonna add the chicken breast to the pan here. My mixture has cooled off some, and I'm gonna add like a half a cup of mozzarella cheese. Get that half a cup in there. There we go. And I'm gonna just mix everything up together. add 1 egg. Okay, I'm gonna mix that up well. Okay, everything is mixed up well, so now I'm gonna go ahead and stuff the cabbage rolls. Okay, got my mixture over here. I'm gonna go ahead and stuff them. You can roll them. Roll them up in there. I'm just grabbing a handful of mixture and just putting them inside the cabbage here. You could fold them in, fold them like that, and put them in there. I like my cabbage rolls with a lot of filling, stuffing. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add some more salsa to the top of it. I didn't use all of the stuffing because this is a small pan. So I stuffed what I could in here, but I'm definitely gonna cook the, probably use this is about a 1/2 cup. Like I said, for the whole recipe, you're gonna use about a whole cup of salsa. So all right, I'm gonna add some more cheese to the top of it. And let me get the Parmesan cheese. Okay, I'm gonna cover this with some aluminum foil, and I'm gonna bake it on 350 degrees for 45 minutes, then 15 minutes uncovered. Like that. Set a timer for 45 minutes.
45 minutes, starting now.
Okay, let me just go ahead and place this in the oven. I had enough cabbage and stuffing to make like a lasagna type of cabbage lasagna. So that'll be another meal for us. I just took it out of the oven. It looks delicious. Oh, look at it. Let me taste a piece. Ooh, looks so good. It's hot too. I'm gonna taste it now. Oh, I think it's too hot. It is hot, but it's good. It's so good. Oh, hot. It was hot, but it is so good. Thank you so much for watching Betty's Cooking Channel. So if you like this video, like, subscribe, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day.